Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ella. So today I'm painting a beautiful purple window with flower in the front. I find this picture on Pinterest and I will list the original picture resources in the description box. Usually, the 3 steps I will do in the watercolor painting is sketch, color, and probably use some black marker to add some outliner and details. But today I am doing different way. I added the details with black marker first, and then colors. Let's see how it turns out. As usual, I am using one of my favorite black outliner, which is Tombow calligraphy pen. I'm using the hard pointed one. There are 2 pens in one set. I need to mention that today I'm using a paper size which is a 6 times 9 inch. This size is almost like half size of what I usually paint. So for this loose style, I didn't add on too much detail. It's just loose and basically to have some fun. Finally, the fun part, adding some colors. This color I'm using is purple, adding some white. I purposely paint the main grid first and then wait until it dried. So I start to paint somewhere else, and then later on I will come back and adding shades to make the window looks more three-dimensional. But I do that on purpose because since the shading part is very close to the main grid, if I'm doing it right now, it might merge, which is totally fine as well. Sometimes the accident is the beauty of the watercolor, but for this one, I try to wait. The steps for coloring the flower I'm using is mixing with one color and try to paint one color on those light pink flower and then more purple one and then violet one to be more efficient. So if we paint a big picture with more detail, we usually paint one flower first and then second flower because we want to mixing the color within the specific petals. Now I'm adding more colors and details in the flowers. As you know, there's definitely more than one color on each petal, so even on the simple and loose style, I try to add a few more colors in each petal. So I'm adding more oranges on some greens to reflect the flower bud, and a darker green on light green to reflect the shadow of the leaf, darker purple on light purple to reflect the flower bud again. Now it's the reflection in the window. So if you realize on the actual picture, the reflection on the window is really dark, but I don't want to do that black, so I want to keep it light. It still reflects some details, some trees and some shadow of the flower, and the tone is not only black, it's actually gray and a little bit green. That's what I'm doing right now. So after a little more detail for the grid on the side, we are done. Thank you for watching and see you next week. Bye bye.